Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you a propane torch weed burner. These are some of the features and usage areas. Let's see it closely. I'm gonna go ahead and use the extension, by the way, because sometimes fire is dangerous, You can use the tools to make it tight. And we're good to go. Let's try to put this on right here. You can use the tools. Make sure it's tight. We're just gonna put this right there. Let's go ahead and put it right there. Now we're good to go. Let me go ahead and demonstrate it. There are two usage. The first one is handle. Second one is the knob. If you're opening it from here, you don't need to press right there. Let's go ahead and open it slowly. See, like that, very slow. You can adjust it from here, increase or decrease. Or if you want to get the full throttle, you need to press there. You see, that's it. You can see this area, the gas is coming from here, and then ignition is right there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off, and you can see the ignition. See, I have some weeds over there. Let's see. Now there is nothing there. Awesome. That's it. Let me go ahead and check this out. I have so many things here and I'm not able to collect them all, but with this it's awesome. It cleaned up everywhere. That's it.